In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send video on Discord. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the chat where you want to share your video. This could be a direct message with a friend or a channel in a server. At the bottom of the screen, in the message bar, look for the small plus icon just to the left of where you type. Click that plus icon, then choose the option labeled Upload File. This tells Discord you want to attach something from your device rather than just send a text message. Your file manager will pop up, showing your folders and files. Navigate to where your video is stored, maybe your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific Videos folder. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct video, and check the file name and size. Discord supports common formats like MP4 and MOV, and most screen recordings and phone videos will work fine. Here's an important limitation to keep in mind. If you're using the free version of Discord, the maximum file size you can upload is 10 megabytes. If your video is larger than that, Discord won't let it upload, and you'll see a message telling you it's too big. When in doubt, glance at the file size in your file manager before you select it so you don't have to retry. Once you've clicked on your video to select it and confirmed, Discord will attach it to your message. You'll see a thumbnail or a small preview right above the message bar. This is your chance to add a caption or any context your viewers might need, like a short description or a timestamp note. If you don't need extra text, that's fine too. When you're ready, press enter to send it. After it's sent, the video will appear directly in the chat with an embedded player. That means anyone who can see the message can click play and watch the video right there without downloading it first. They can also expand it to a larger view for better clarity. Upload time depends on your internet connection and the size of the file, so give it a moment if it's taking a bit longer. And that's all there is to it. Click the plus icon, choose Upload File, pick your video, add optional text, and hit enter. Your video is now shareable and playable right inside Discord. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your clips.